Today we're going to talk about attorneys and how much they don't know about the COVID EIDL. We saw this happen in 2024 with these eyes, how Social Security payments were garnished, tax refunds, contractor payments to health facilities who are getting Medicare and Medicaid payments. This is a real thing. And again, fuels my continuing consternation as to why this advice to let it go to default and go to Treasury for OIC is bad legal advice. Let me read a couple of comments about this topic of attorneys. But first I want to tell you, in response to your distress about how to find an attorney, we created a special blueprint guidebook from our EIDL resource hub, how to find an attorney for your COVID EIDL. You can purchase that by clicking on the link in the description or in the pinned comment. And frankly, even if you're not in distress, the guidebook will also teach you how to locate an attorney just for normal business transactions. If you want to sell assets, if you want to sell your business, bring an investor in, and you want legal advice on those aspects, even something as simple as relocating your business, you're probably going to want legal advice in terms of how this transaction you're undertaking is supposed to be managed legally under the terms of the EIDL loan agreement. In the guidebook, we've created two aspects. One is how to locate a small business attorney and how to locate a bankruptcy attorney. Now to the comments. Talked with an attorney that said the SBA is essentially breaking the law by not entertaining OICs in good faith. Believes there is a better route by filing an appeal when they turn you down and get the OIC offer in front of the courts. Thoughts? Breaking the law. To which my response, when people say, I want to sue the SBA, let's do a class action lawsuit, I say to you this: good luck. You're going to sue the federal government? Who? You're with your auto repair garage in Oregon? Your 22 employees information technology IT firm in Florida? You're going to do this? You're going to take on the federal government by yourself? Good luck. That's why this video today is about bad attorneys, bad advice. So here, the attorney says they're breaking law. Okay, and what? Well, how does that help me? When you're engaging with advice with an attorney, you want advice. You don't want platitudes. Mr. Attorney, Miss Attorney, if you want to discuss how the SBA is essentially breaking law, please do that on your time, not on my dime. And do that at the golf course on Saturday when you're hanging out with your other lawyer buddies. I don't need to know that when I'm trying to get an answer from you, if you even know what a COVID EIDL is. I'm telling you, I've had a lot of experience with lawyers. Not all of it good, by the way. Jim goes on to say this attorney believes there's a better route by filing an appeal. And once the OIC's offer in front of the courts, again, how much money are you going to spend here? Look, if you need an attorney to give you basic advice on a transaction that you need to undertake with the Small Business Administration to honor and respect the responsibilities and the terms of the EIDL loan agreement you signed, find an attorney who can read the loan agreement or has read it already and understands it.